Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to talk about the structure of government contract accounting and one thing that you need to capture. So when you're a government contractor and you're doing accounting, you need to capture your different cost pools. Some contracts will basically ask you for, hey, we need your indirect rate, your wrap rates, and this requires you to basically have your financial statements, the income statement side, broken up in different expenses, broken up in different cost pools. So when I say cost pool, it's the way you capture your expenses. The first cost pool that you need to basically break out is direct expense, direct cost. It could be direct labor, direct material, direct travel, things associated with directly producing that contract or servicing that contract. They're selling goods or doing a service, right? That's the first cost pool. That needs to be in your cost of goods sold, is what people usually call it, but that needs to be broken up in a different category. And all expenses associated with direct travel, direct labor, materials, and so on needs to be in one of those buckets under direct cost. That's your first cost pool. The second cost pool is your fringe benefits, the cost of supporting your W-2 workers, health insurance, medical insurance, vision insurance, things that support your W-2 workers. All that needs to be captured in a different cost pool. That's the second one. The third one is basically, I want to call it facilities overhead. That's basically the cost of associating multiple contracts indirectly associated with all contracts, but you need that to run your business. Your rent, utilities, could be business meals, things not like directly associated with that one particular contract, but it covers like the cost of like your business in a way. That's that facilities overhead because you need rent to run your business. The next cost pool is G&A cost pool, right? Your G&A expenses. This handles your administrative salaries. This can handle your business softwares, your bid proposal costs, how much it costs you to put that bid together. All that is in G&A. That needs to be broken up in a different cost pool. And it needs to be separated basically from that direct cost, what I mentioned at the beginning of the video, and all these other indirect costs, such as your fringe benefits, your facilities overhead, and your G&A, and also your unallowable expenses, which I'll get to later. But that needs to be separated because you need to capture that indirect rate to get your pricing right, to meet contracts, fulfillments, and other things. So when someone's doing your accounting, you need to break these cost pools up. It should go income and then your expenses after, such as direct cost, which is cost of goods sold. Then your fringe benefits that sit under that cost of goods sold, and then it's going to be facility overhead, and then G&A, and then it's going to be the unallowable expenses. We need to capture all these different costs. So I want to just do a quick video talking about the different cost pools that we need to have when you're doing government contracting. I don't care what industry or type of government contract you're doing. Usually if you're going after awards, some of these agencies require this. We need to separate direct from indirect. So that's how you kind of break that down. I'm going to do more videos like this. Put in the comments anything you want me to talk about. I'm happy to discuss. But remember, we need to break our accounting out in different cost pools. So we need different sections on where we record our expenses. Thank you.